You spend 5 hours or more each day just to make one batch of sauce. With our equipment, your output will increase by 50%. Jingyi Machinery boasts 15 years of experience in customizing food processing equipment, and we are committed to providing our customers with high-quality industrial stainless steel mixing tanks. Jingyi mixing tanks offer multiple functions including mixing, stirring, dissolving, emulsifying, and concentrating, making them ideal for processing sauces, hummus, milk, juice, condiments, skincare products, and other products. Made entirely of food-grade 304 stainless steel, Jingyi mixing tanks consist of a tank body, conical bottom and support feet, manhole, stirring motor, and custom-designed agitator. The sealed design effectively prevents material leakage and external contamination, while maintaining stable internal temperature and pressure. The processing status can be monitored in real time through the manhole and PLC screen. All your commands are issued through this PLC screen. For example, pressing this button starts the agitator, and pressing another button activates the emulsification function. Our stainless steel mixing tanks undergo rigorous quality control and testing to ensure that every unit meets the highest standards. We are committed to providing reliable solutions to bring greater convenience to your production.